Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a case design team for Renea Bouquets and I made two-dimensional shabby chic cards, and this is a paper collection that I'm going to be working with. I think I did share that with you when I did the unboxing. This is the Prima Apricot Honey. I just love the colors. It has like kind of like a peach color with pink and rose gold and some kind of like really light blue and black. I don't know, I just love this color combination. And the items that I chose from Renea Bouquets, I chose to match this collection. I made some 3D cards. They're easel cards, and then I also made matching boxes with a window in the front. And I have to tell you that my friend Sandra has inspired me to create my own boxes, but that was not easy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I should have just asked her for the measurements. She probably would have figured it out right away. But it took me forever to figure out how to make these boxes. And well, I finally did it, and you'll see what I made. They're simple boxes, but it took me forever to figure it out. Please check the description box for direct links to each of these items. All right, so now let me share with you my project. All right, so here is the first card, you guys. So the card is inside, and actually this box makes it look like it's a shadow box because I share this with my friend, and she said, "Is that a shadow box?" I'm like, "No, it's actually a box, and inside is the card." So I decided to open up, just to cut. I cut it out, I think with, I don't remember if I used a die or if I used an X-Acto knife. I just cut out a window, put an acetate piece, and I just papered pretty much the whole thing. As you can see, the sides, the top, the bottom, the back. Here is the top, and I actually have half a circle here so it can be easier for me to open it. Now this trim is from Hobby Lobby, and everything else is from Renea Bouquets. All of these flowers, these chipboard pieces. This is one piece, and I think I cut it in half just to make it look longer. All of these flowers are handmade by Renea, and sorry about all that glare, you guys, but look how stunning they are. And then this one, I just twirled it with a pencil, I think it was, and that beautiful flower. I love it. I just love this cluster of flowers, how that came out. And so I made the top as the closure, and that's how that opens up. I used 110-pound cardstock from Recollections, which you can find at Michael's. And then that's what the box looks like without the card. And here is the card by itself. Look how beautiful that angel is, and that says, "Do what makes your soul shine." There is the back. Now the back, I used nothing but scraps because I didn't want to cut a brand new sheet of paper, so I used all of my scraps for the back, and that worked very well. And then this is what the inside, and then it stands up just like that. And I added this sentiment from the same paper collection: thoughts become words, words become actions, actions become habits, habits become character, character becomes destiny. And I really love the way that came out, you guys. I think that looks so beautiful. So it does stand up, I promise. There you go. Forgot to mention that this also has this really pretty, as you can see, it is kind of wide, this trim, and that's what I really like about it. It's beautiful. And then this one behind it, you can see the bottom, but this one is the same width as this one. But what I did was I did cut it in half, and I don't know, where did I use the other half? Oh, I remember. I used the other half on the other project that I have created, which I will give you a little quick sneak peek because I'm not done, because I really thought I was done. When I was going to make this video, I said I'm gonna give them a quick sneak peek, and then I realized that I'm not done with it. The front is completely done, so the front has the other half of this trim, and look at the back and the sides. I only did the front. I totally forgot about the sides, and I should have not painted them. I should have left it white because it really does look nice as the white that it comes in, the original color. But now I'm going to have to paper it because I did this. But there you can see it's a sneak peek of my next project. All right, so now let me share with you my other project. So here is the second one. I just love the way this one looks, you guys, because it literally looks like a shadow box, and then it looks like I'm displaying one of her beautiful butterflies. Her butterflies are stunning, you guys. I've seen them, you know, online and videos and on her website, but when you see them in person, I have to say it's magical. I'll show you when I open this up. Okay, so I had this little piece of trim. So don't throw away your trim, you guys. Just utilize it. Tuck it in a cluster of flowers, and that is what I did here. I didn't want to get this wasted, and I really like how this came out. So this piece right here, this is what that looks like. It looks small, but I think I did not cut it. But the one on the other one, which on the other box, the first box I shared, it was one of these corner ones, and all I did was that I just cut it like right in the middle, and then I used one end here and the other end here. So it makes it look like it's a long piece, but it's not. Just so you know, when you see it on the website, you don't see that long piece. It's this right here. And this, really what you can do is just add this as a corner piece. I think it would look beautiful as a corner piece, just like that. But that's how I wanted to use it, so I did snip that. All right, so continuing with this box, here is the sides, the bottom, the top, the back. Everything is papered. Let me go ahead and open the top, take out the card. Again, the back of this card, I use a bunch of scraps, as you can see, just a mismatch of all of these beautiful papers. And here is the front. I absolutely love it. I love this butterfly, you guys, and this is the butterfly I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. I did nothing to this butterfly. This is exactly how it came. This is how you will receive it if you plan on purchasing it. I mean, look at that. I just love it. I love it. It really is magical, you guys. Okay, and then I added one of these bigger flowers here. And this piece right here, it's one of these swirly ones, and it is just beautiful. Now this one is pretty long. I left it that same length. I don't think I cut this one. Nope, it is not cut. It is one piece, and I love it. I added some trim. All of these pieces, everything that I'm showing you is from the store Renea Bouquets. Behind there, that's what I started with, is this trim. Oh my gosh, I love this trim, you guys. The color is just beautiful, and I think it also comes in pink. And then this butterfly trim, because I thought it went perfect with this collection. And I just love, I don't really work with a lot of black, but I do love the fact that this collection has black. And I did add some black because it makes everything pop. And then this is the inside, and it just stands just like that. So on the front of the card, it says wild as the wind, and inside it says you are some kind of wonderful. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave me a comment and check the description box for all of the links to all of these products from Renea Bouquets. Hope you all are having a wonderful day. Bye everyone.